Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sandy and this is Topic Beauty. Today I am very excited because I am going to unbox the Foodie Box. This is the holiday collection, and the reason I'm excited is because in here contains a palette that I do not think you can buy if you haven't bought this collection here. If I'm wrong about that, I'm sorry, but I thought that's what I read when I bought this box. So we're just gonna reach in here. These are goodies inside the box. The first thing I want to pull out is the palette itself, because you guys know, because of my start of my showing you my makeup collection, I love Glamlite. I have several, almost all, not all, but almost all of their palettes. This is the little pie palette. You know I love their packaging. Looks like a little cherry pie. I'm gonna pull that on out of there. So cute. I have to say I did cheat because I wanted to make sure this wasn't broken when it came in the mail today. So pretty. The shades are blackberry, mixed berry, pumpkin, mud pie, peach, sweet potato, pecan. As you can see, my face is somewhat applied. I have no eyeshadow on. I'm gonna use this palette to create an eyeshadow look. Next, we have some gingerbread lashes. Adorable. I have a lot of Glamlite lashes because I've bought a lot of these foodie boxes. I think there's another pair in here. I think these are a pair. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Cookies and milk. Doesn't really go, I guess, with the theme, but it does go with the holiday theme. Well, it does go with the holiday theme. I was thinking more it doesn't go with the palette. Ooh, what is this? This is the packaging. I think it's a loose highlighter. That's what we're gonna use it as. It doesn't, I can't see that it says on the packaging exactly what it is. And I forget if that's what I read on the website or on her Instagram cheats. Little slice of pecan pie. Is this a lipstick or a lip gloss? This is a gloss. Oh, that's pretty. That's pretty. All right. We have another. This is a lipstick. This is, what is this? Red velvet. That other one was pecan pie. Oh, oh, that'll match my sweater. That is nice. I like that. The next one we have is another gloss called Eggnog. That is that. Okay, so I don't know what happened to the audio in this little portion here, but hang tight, because as soon as I'm done talking about the brushes, everything goes back to normal. Go figure. Rookie mistake. Bye. Okay, so that box included 7 Glamlite items. So far I'm not mad. I'm just going to create a simple little eye look, I think. What the heck is that? With this little pie palette. Ooh, it smells a little like paint. I'm still going to use it. Trying a new angle with my camera. I don't think I like it. I feel like it's looking down on me. As I was saying, I'm trying a new angle with my camera and I'm not sure how it looks. I hope it doesn't ruin the fact that I really want to put this video up because I wanted, and I have the chocolate palette coming. I'm going to dip into sweet potato right here with this, there's no name on it, this blending brush here. Just bring that up over. Wow, you guys know me. I don't dip heavily into an eyeshadow. That's one dip, and it is, I like that. That's pretty. I don't know if I like this angle. It's making me crazy. I'm going to continue, but I'm so sorry. I hope I'm not messing this up. I'm going to do the other eye with my mirror because I don't like it. This has a blush in it. I didn't realize it had a blush. Maybe we'll, I already have blush on, but maybe we'll use it over the blush that I already have on. Okay, next I'm going to go in with this little smaller blending brush and go into Mud Pie. I'm just going to bring that on the outer. Just going to bring that on the outer edge to deepen the crease. I'm thinking of either blackberry or blueberry. I think maybe both. That's Nutty Pecan. That's pretty. Okay, so it is incredibly clear to me that I should not have moved my camera at all. I'm very unhappy. I'm very unhappy about this. Okay, so I think I'm taking another brush. I don't like these. I'm gonna go back into Sweet Potato and just kind of, yeah, that's way better. The brushes are, I don't know, they're too stiff, I guess, and I don't feel like I can put the product down, but I feel like I can't blend it with this, and it feels like when I touch it with my hand, it feels fine, but when I touch this brush, which is similar, I can't, like, this one just feels way better. Okay, next I'm going to go in with a different brush and go into Mud Pie just to deepen up that outer corner again. Like I said, I'm just going to do a simple little look, mostly because I just wanted to play with the products in this box, open it up and show you guys the foodie box from Glamlite, which I think is so fun. They did this holiday collection, and then not long later, which was a little disappointing because there was no time in between the two products. They did another foodie box, which is like a chocolate factory, not chocolate factory, I'm thinking like a chocolate collection anyway. And it was cute, but and I bought that one too because there's a chocolate something in it, the palette, and there's chocolate themed. So I'm gonna go with blueberry right here. Right over my lid. I'm gonna go in with my finger because I don't like the way this is picking up. I'm usually very happy with Glamlite, and I don't know if it's just the angle of the camera disorienting me. I do like the shadows. I think they're pretty. I don't know if it's the brushes that discouraged me, but now I'm going to go in with Blackberry on the inner portion of my eyelid. I'm just going to drag that right into, what was that, Blueberry. Just got another brush here with, I hope no color on it. No, no color. I'm just going to blend this, sort of almost fade it a little bit. I'm going to take an eyeliner brush, go into Mud Pie, just bring that under, along the lash line. Taking a smaller brush and taking Sweet Potato. Just taking another brush and going in with Mud Pie because I don't feel like Mud Pie is sticking around. I feel like it's fading away. And do that again on the other eye. I'm just going to throw some black eyeliner on. I'm going to take this Cherry Pie blush and just kind of see what that looks like. I like that. Not mad at the blush, that's for sure. I'm going to curl my lashes, put some mascara on, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I put the mascara on. I'm going to use these gingerbread lashes here. I think overall the eyeshadow isn't bad. I don't know. The job I did is not very good today. I mean, it's passable. It doesn't make me happy, I have to admit. I am not going to hold it against this palette because it is so pretty, but there's only this one darker shade to add dimension, and I like more dimension than I have done with this look, so this is entirely my bad. I usually have to snip these lashes, so they're really pretty. Oh my god, are they dramatic? Maybe the dramaticness of these will change my attitude. I hope so, because I have a busy attitude right now. Oh my god. And then we're going to come back and use this cookies and milk. I'll be back. Okay, so I'm back, and I think I maybe should have trimmed a little bit more off on the inner corner because they're kind of poking me, but I trimmed off as much as I usually do. I have to say, these are really, really long. It's okay. I'm going to line my lips. We'll be back with lipstick. Okay, I'm back. My lips are lined. As you can see, the eyelashes are super dramatic. So we need a super dramatic lipstick. So we are going to go in with this Red Velvet. There's no sticker on it. It tells me what color it is. That's a bummer. We're going to do that. I don't know what red velvet cake smells like, but this smells really good. Okay. I'm not mad at the lips, I have to say. I'm mad at everything else. I'm mad at myself, not everything else. I don't like the brushes. They're just not my feel. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face. And we are going to try this cookies and milk highlighter. Highlighter brush, where did you go? I just had you in my hand 5 seconds ago. Oh, there it is. Okay. The highlighter's cute. It's not great. I have this, it's actually called Cookies and Cream, just like the highlighter. I'm gonna, I think, apply this to the center of my lips. I really have to wipe this off because that red is bright. I just want that in the center just to give that little wet look. I like that much better. Okay. I'm just going to throw on a little inner corner highlight with this Cookies and Cream. My inner corner of my eye. Okay, so that's that. I think the eyelashes are super dramatic. I did not cut them short enough. I felt like when I first put them on, they were fine, but now that my eyes are blinking repeatedly, I feel like they're just a tiny bit too long, maybe on the inner corner. Maybe I put them too far over, but I feel like they look like they fit, but they don't feel like they fit. The lips, this lipstick is gorgeous. And I like Glamlite's lipstick, their liquid lipstick. It lasts quite a while. And even though this didn't come with the collection, I did use this just because I didn't really want to use either one of these. I didn't think that they would give me the effect that I wanted. As far as the palette, I think it needs, like I said before, this is the only dark shade that I felt like I could really use to add dimension to the look. And I used it 2 or 3 different times with different brushes, and I still couldn't get the effect that I wanted it to have. So I think this is a cute palette, and I love the colors, but I think it needs a little something extra on the side to help build up and I don't know why it smells like glue. Oh, I know why it smells like glue. It's this. I have a super intense sniffer. So if anything smells even mildly to most people, or even not at all to most people, I can smell it. So it's not a criticism on Glamlite, because I've never found that any of their other products have a bad smell. Even the burger palettes, which feel like they have this sort of same material, I don't know why that is. Anyway, I'm gonna stop rambling. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe. I'm not always this grouchy, I promise. Anyway, we'll see you in the next one. Bye.